Hello everybody, this is Tushar Waqt and you're watching BTNX and I'm back again with one more amazing video, and in this video I'm going to let you know that how can you create a personalized marketing campaign with the help of ChatGPT. What do I mean by if I say personalized marketing campaign? It includes Facebook advertisement, Facebook, Instagram posting, LinkedIn posting, email marketing and all those stuffs you can do with the help of ChatGPT, and that too with not a generic one, with a very detailed and a personalized one. So how to get it done, how to use ChatGPT in a way that can actually help you do all these things, how to generate the right email copy and all these things, I'll let you know in this video. So without wasting any of your time, let me take you to my ChatGPT and let's start how to get it done.
और जनाब तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
So currently I'm in my ChatGPT and I'll let you know with step by step that how can you create a personalized marketing campaign. So to get this done, first you have to decide that what are the things that you are planning to do with the help of ChatGPT. For suppose if I just open the notepad, I will be creating a Facebook post, an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, a Facebook advertisement and a detailed campaign for any specific targeting a festival, and also email marketing. We'll also try to do a few more things if it requires during the video. So to begin the thing, all I'll be doing is firstly installing an extension which is AIPRM. So this extension will actually help you to do a lot of stuffs in ChatGPT because it has pre-installed prompts in it. You just have to give a very little amount of information and it will be giving you the next level information. And you just have to come here, click on the extension bar, and you're gonna turn it off for a specific time period. For now, I'm just turning it off, and we will be working it in a way where we'll be instructing our one single prompt. Do remember that each and every chat with ChatGPT is creating a new information. For suppose if I am starting up a new conversation in this thing, all I will be doing here is giving up the information and making sure that my first prompt in the new section is a prompt where I'm feeding all of the information and ChatGPT understands it in a very better way. So all I will be now doing is enabling the AIPRM. I'll just refresh the ChatGPT and I'll just scroll down. I'll just click on the topic. I'll choose marketing. In activity, I'll choose marketing, and I'll just start coming down and I'll see which prompt is the one that I am looking for at the initial stage. For suppose 30 social media posts and image suggestions with one click. Let's click on it. And if you want to know that what exactly this prompt will be doing, and you can see the description that get a month's worth of social media posts and image suggestions with the click of a button. Just tell us your business name and business type like this. Joy's Pizza is a pizza shop. This is perfect for building out your social media posting calendar. Let's just click on it. Let's write the business name. I will be writing the business name called Cleverpay, which is a Bangalore-based BNPL company. It is a very famous company, and let's add that company business name. So the business name is Cleverpay. It is a BNPL company offering buy now pay later finance services to the customers across the India. Let's just click on this button, send message, and let's see how the result is. So now you can see that with just a single click, you are getting a 30 days social media post. So it is that simple. And not just this, now let's open a new bar. So we have completely created the Instagram post for 30 days. It is done. We can do the both for Instagram and Facebook. Let's remove it. Let's get back and let's now do it for the LinkedIn. Here's the LinkedIn engagement. We'll be clicking on it, and also you can see that ChatGPT will be social media manager, and you can actually write here anything like that. For suppose if you see the example, I need help managing the presence of an organization on Twitter in order to increase brand awareness. So this is how you will be doing. So this was a generic way of doing it. But now, before I take you to the very detailed way, let's have also a look on the LinkedIn engagement. For suppose now this is LinkedIn engagement is for the comment section. I will be choosing something else. Let's click on all, and I will be choosing LinkedIn. Engaging LinkedIn post content. Let's click on here. Topic for LinkedIn post: how BNPL buy now pay later is changing the financial portion of Indians' revenue. I'll just click on it, and now you can see that ChatGPT will actually be creating a very good engagement kind of a LinkedIn post, which will actually be very interesting to read. For example, example, if I just start reading exciting news, the landscape of India's financial scene is undergoing a transformative shift thanks to BNPL, which is buy now pay later. Embracing this trend opens new avenue for financial growth. Here's why it matters. Financial inclusion. BNPL is bridging gaps, making financial services accessible to a wider audience. Economic empowerment means empowering individuals to make purchases without immediate financial strain. Business boost, boosting sales for merchants by enhancing purchasing power. So what are your thoughts on financial revolution? Drop your insights below. Let's discuss the impact. Here are the hashtags. And not just that, it is also providing us with an example of Calendly link. Basically, Calendly is a way where you can actually create your own custom link and you can add it in your LinkedIn profile, and people who wants to engage with you, they can actually go there, access it, and can schedule a time with you and can schedule a meeting fixing with you. So this is how you can do with the help of Calendly. So this was a generic way of creating LinkedIn content, Facebook content, Instagram content. Now let's start doing personalized marketing content. So how to get it done, how to actually get started. So before moving on, I would like to tell you one thing, that if you are someone who is not using the AI technology, then you are putting your job at a risk. Why am I saying you this? Because AI is not going to replace any human being, but yes, a person using AI can replace another person. So do understand, in the 2023 era, you have to get adapted to the AI technology because it is the new revolutionary futuristic way of working. Please do understand that AI is not replacing anybody, but yes, it is a new way of working in 2023, and this is the futuristic model of working. It actually helps you to enhance your work experience, it reduces your time, and it actually helps you to be more productive and more creative. So if you really want to get adapted to the AI technology, then I am here to let you know that this is a workshop link that I have opened in my screen bar, which is happening just for 9 rupees. Do understand, I'm not here to sell this workshop. It is a beneficial offer for you. This is a workshop which will be done with the help of 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni who have co-founded multiple 7-figure companies, and they by themselves are going to teach you how to get adapted with the AI technology. And not just this, you'll also be getting a certificate at the end of the course. The link is given in the description below. Do check it out and get promoted, get updated, and be more knowledgeable in the AI industry. So now let's get back to the video. I will be turning off the Air PRM extension at first. Let's refresh the page, and now I'll be training ChatGPT something like, act as a professional marketer who has more than a decade of experience. You're working for a company called Cleverpay. Cleverpay is just a BNPL company based out in Bangalore. It is a mediocre company. I've chosen that as an example just to let you know that how things work. This is a Bangalore based BNPL company. You are a creative person who does everything in a way that has humor in it, and because of which the engagement and interaction is always high. I'm giving you a full brief information about the company in advance to do few things. Please confirm me with a yes after understanding everything from this information. And detailed information about the company Cleverpay. Let's come down. Let's open the Cleverpay website. So in your section, all you can do is just open any of the company's about us page and just copy and paste the information. Like I'll just start copying and pasting the information here. So you can see that I have given a basic prompt which is sounding like I as a professional marketer, which I have already told you. And under the detailed information about the company section, you can actually copy and paste the entire about us section of that company's website. Similarly, I have did this for Cleverpay, and let us click here. I'll paste an opening bracket here, and I'll just copy and paste this line over the last section under this. Please confirm me with a yes after understanding everything from the information provided. So yes, ChatGPT has confirmed me that yes, I have thoroughly reviewed the information provided about Cleverpay, the Bengaluru-based BNPL company. I understand the key features, benefits, and the overall value proposition that Cleverpay offers to both customers and merchants. With this understanding, I'm ready to incorporate human creativity into marketing messages for Cleverpay. Please let me know any specific goals or themes you would like me to focus on, and we can get started. Now ChatGPT will be working for you as a professional detail marketer. Now let's start doing it. So let's open the notepad bag, and now let's start doing the email marketing. So now I have written a new prompt, something like, can you please help me out in creating an email marketing campaign? The main agenda is to pitch new merchants in order to increase the business. Now you can see, unlock your merchant potential with Cleverpay. Let's boost your revenue together. So without confirming, it is actually giving me the complete entire email thing, and you can see that everything it is including, from the benefits, from the uses, from the USPs, and everything under it, and also the link it has been attached here automatically. You can actually change the tone and everything. Please create an email marketing strategy for us. So you can see that it is now creating a comprehensive email marketing funnel strategy for Cleverpay. The goal of this funnel is to attract potential merchants, nurture their interest, and ultimately convert them into valued partners. So how is the email marketing funnel strategy is for Cleverpay? The stage 1 is for awareness, the stage 2 is for the interest, the stage 3 is for the consideration, the stage 4 is for the conversion. So if you are already a marketer, so you might be probably knowing it. If you are new to the marketing field, then you should understand that there are 4 stages in the marketing funnel, which is the awareness, interest, consideration, and the conversion. So now you have got an idea that the email 1 should be like the introduction and unique value proposition, UVP, and the second email should go with respect to success stories and testimonials of Cleverpay, and the third email should be with respect to deep dive into features. The fourth email should be exclusive webinar invitation. The fifth should be the limited time offer wallet thing, so that you can create that suspense and curiosity to bring the customers to get signed up and logged in with your platform. The sixth should be the personalized demo, that is you are offering to your merchant. The seventh should be the special onboarding package. The eighth one should be the confirmation and next steps. The ninth one, which is the post conversion, is for the tips for maximizing revenue. The 10th is for the monthly updates and offer. So now you can actually ask ChatGPT to start creating for email 1, like please create a good detailed email for email 1, introduction and unique value proposition, which is UVP. I'll just write this thing, enter the button, and you can see that it will start creating a detailed email. So this is the email 1. Similarly, notice this, you can actually go and change the any of the thing. For suppose if I want now to write this for email 5, which is limited time offer, I'll just copy this thing entirely. I'll just come down, click on the edit button, create a good detailed email for, I'll just replace this thing with email 5 limited time offer and click on the save and submit button. Once I do this, you can see that now it will start creating for the specific email, which is act now exclusive limited time offer from Cleverpay. Hello, merchant's name. Hope this email finds you thriving in your business and of yours. Everything, zero registration fees, exclusive merchant toolkit, and all those things. And you can actually see that you will be getting the email in just a second. So from email creation, email funnel strategy to writing out the email with adding the CD, everything can be done with the help of ChatGPT with just a single click. Now let's do the last thing, which is the Facebook advertisement and campaign. So I'll just scroll back to the upper section and I'll just come back to this section. Can you please help me out in creating an email marketing campaign? Instead of that, I'll be writing here as Facebook marketing campaign. The main agenda is to pitch new merchants in order to increase the business. Instead of campaign, I will write, can you please help me out in creating a Facebook marketing funnel? The main agenda is to pitch new merchants in order to increase the business. Now you can see it is creating a marketing funnel, which is saying that to attract new merchants for Cleverpay is a great strategy basically. So what's the step by step for a marketing funnel for Facebook? It is the awareness, and then the interest, and then the consideration, and then the intent, and then the action, then follow up, monitoring operation, every single thing. So let's go one by one. So I just want to now focus on the awareness. So what should be the ad content? Start creating engaging and humorous ads highlighting the benefits of Cleverpay for merchants. Emphasize key points like increased revenue, hyper-local BNPL, and easy integration. The ad formats can be used carousel ads to showcase different features or success stories, incorporate eye-catching visuals and brief, witty captions. Who should be the target audience? Target local audience in Bengaluru and surrounding areas. Focus on sectors where Cleverpay have a significant impact, such as retail, electronics, or mall. So I am copying the entire first section thing, and in the prompt where I'm writing, can you please do this? The awareness section, ad content, can you please help me out in creating this? And I'll just paste the entire information and I'll come down, and now you can see that it is actually creating an advertisement for me. Absolutely, let's create an engaging and humorous awareness camp for Cleverpay targeting local business in Bengaluru. Here's the draft for ad content, formats, and target audience. The first section is the awareness, the ad content is the carousel ad. Slide 1 and slide 2 and slide 3. Ad formats, witty captions, target audience, the caption for the entire carousel, everything I have got with the help of ChatGPT. So with this thing, you should have understood that how you can actually create a personalized email marketing campaign for your business with the help of ChatGPT. Whether is it an Instagram post or a Facebook post or a LinkedIn post or Facebook advertisement campaign or a funnel strategy or email marketing or LinkedIn or for any of the platform, you can actually do each and every task with the help of ChatGPT. I hope you found the video useful. So this was all about how you can do a personalized marketing campaign, and I'll see you with one more amazing video. Till then, stay tuned with BeterNext, and thank you for watching this. I'll be back soon. Till then, bye bye.